Overall accessories.
The lockdown center distance is adjustable at 60 or 70 mm.
Checks the correct lockdown installation direction. Install the connecting pipe in front of the outside handle. Square bar through the wire and insert it to the bottom. Then the outside handle alignment to the location of the local town hole. The inside handle alignment to the square bar position of its other side. Tighten the inside handle with the 2 grub screws. Plug the red marked wire into the red socket and ensure wire connect port connected properly. Cover the battery case. Tighten the battery back cover with the trick lock screw. The installation is complete. Any fingerprint can unlock it if no user is enrolled.
Initialization successful. Please check administrator. Please add fingerprint or password. Input again. Input again. Input again. Input again. Input again. Operation successful. Please check administrator. Please add fingerprint or password. Input again. Operation successful. Please check administrator. Please add fingerprint or password. Input again. Input again. Input again. Input again. Input again. Operation successful. Please check administrator. Operation successful. Please check administrator. Unlocked. Locked. Indoor locked. Indoor locked. Indoor locking released.